Hi guys! Ngayon turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng rational numbers. Okay? So, addition and subtraction of rational numbers. For example, 2 over 9 plus 5 over 9. So, ganito lang yung sinasabi ko sa estudyante ko. Kapag ang denominator is magkamukha, kokopyahin lang yan and then solve the numerator. So, since magkamuka, yung denominator, kopyahin lang natin. And then, 2 plus 5. So, 2 plus 5 is equals to 7 over 9. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-solve ng rational numbers. Si 7 and 9, final answer na ba siya? So, paano ba natin malalaman kung final answer na siya? Kapag hindi na kayang i-lowest term ang isang given. Okay? So, if hindi na kaya, and then that's it. Yun na po ang answer. Pero kung kaya pa, of course, ilo-lowest term natin siya. Okay, what if magkaiba naman ang denominator? So, meron tayong 4 over 3 plus 5 over 2. So, nakikita nyo naman, magkaiba ang ating denominator. Meron tayong 3 and 2. Kapag magkaiba ang denominator, hanapin natin ang kanilang LCM or least common multiple. So, paano po natin makukuha si LCM? So, dito, ano po ba yung kanilang least common multiple? Si 3 and 2. Since si 3 and 2, ang kanilang LCM ay 6. So, 6. Teacher, saan nakuha si 6? Hinanap natin yung kanilang LCM. So, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Okay? So, 6 divided by 3. So, we have to divide. Okay? So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2, yung sagot natin dito, 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Okay? So, walang malilito. Again, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So, 8 plus 15. So, 8 plus 15 is equals to 23 over 6. Okay? So, may lowest term pa ba natin siya? O may lowest term pa ba si 23 over 6? Wala na. So, the answer for 4 over 3 plus 5 over 2 is 23 over 6. Ganun lang kasimple mag-solve ng addition of rational numbers. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-solve ng subtraction. Okay. So, next is 7 over 3 minus 5 over 3. So, same lang yung gagawin natin kung ano ginawa natin sa addition. Pero, ngayon, subtraction naman. Okay? So, kung nakikita nyo, meron tayong parehas na denominator. So, let's copy the denominator since parehas sila. And then, 7 minus 5 is equals to 7 minus 5 equals 2. 2 over 3. So, meron tayong nakuhang 2/3 kasi pinag-minus lang naman natin yung numerator which is the 7 minus 5. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? Okay. Next is 5/3 minus 4/2. So, same lang. 3/2. So, ang kanilang denominator ay 3 and 2. So, ang kanilang LCM is 6. Okay. So, 6 divided by 3, again, divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Okay? Copy the operation. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So, 10 minus 12 is equals to negative 2/6. Okay, so it can simply negatives and then 2/6. Okay? So, ganun po kasimple ang addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Sana naintindihan nyo ang tinuro ko ngayon. So, please subscribe Lessons with Miss A. Bye!